Wow, nice day. Unfortunately, as I'm filming this, I'm nursing somewhat of a sore back, so I don't know that reefing on a pull rope is maybe the best idea right now, but I do have a couple things here. Unfortunately, I'm not going to get to them right away, so this video is going to be a little bit, well, frankly, maybe a little bit lame. It's still fixing stuff, but not the stuff you're used to. So it's been large item pickup, and I came across this a few blocks away. It says engine seized. Well, that doesn't seem very seized. Maybe when it gets hot or something, but what the heck. If nothing else, it can go to scrap, or maybe I'll rebuild the engine. I don't know. See how bored I get. And the other thing that came our way, my friend Mike picked this up in his neighborhood, a Honda EX650 generator. And it's a pretty hefty little sucker. It may be why my back is hurting now. But I don't know, it looks to be, it's older, but it's a Honda, So I think we'll definitely see if we can't, it pulls over. So we'll see if we can get that going. But until then, well, what have we got? I fixed my dishwasher and I backdated my grinder. So that's what we've got for you today. Next week will be better. I promise.
Desert Dust Bowl sun, where the bill man will call you almost every week. Which bills to pay today, what's left in the fridge to eat. Where stars frame the night, born out of dreams, just close enough to give hope, but too far to reach. I left there with that hope on fire, backseat for a bed in search for something brighter. Down in that Dust Bowl Valley, with that Dust Bowl Valley sun, I'm going back to the place I ran from, where the earth and the men been hardened by life in the sun. Like my old man, he's 63, still swings a hammer, still tougher than me. What about my mother? Well, the last I heard, she was strung out on Demerol and some of those neighbors. I miss my good friend, look how far we come. Oh, settling down now, I guess we're worn out from the run. Down in that Dust Bowl Valley, with that Dust Bowl Valley sun. Now I'm headed back, got the radio on. They're still playing Haggard working man song. And I'm coming full circle, trying to make my peace with my past and the ghosts that still haunt me. Remembering the good times more than the bad. That Dust Bowl country, heart-worn land. I'm going back to the place where I ran from. Palm tree, broken roads, desert Dust Bowl sun. Down in that Dust Bowl Valley, with that
Well, something recently came back into my possession that I'm pretty happy about, and it's this Jeff Gordon Monte Carlo that I built for my father-in-law some years ago before he passed away, and my brother-in-law had it, and he's moving, so it's come back to me. Let me see if I can get it open here. There we go. Obviously the case is a little dusty, but pretty happy with this build. The only thing I ever really was disappointed with was the hood decal. A little bit wrinkly, but that's kind of why I displayed it with the hood permanently up. And I didn't have any luck with the tire decals either, so I'd like to get some yellow acrylic paint and tampo print those up. But outside of that, yeah, generally the shocks fell off. I gotta glue those back on. Yeah, really happy with it. I have not built many stock car models, so I'm really happy with how it turned out. It was kind of, you know, because it's for somebody that was important to me, put a little extra effort into it, but turned out really nicely. So I'm happy to have it back here in the shop to display.